this is the question I'm responding to this week. Last week I mentioned that I'm starting a new segment, answering one question that's from the comments each week. This week I'm answering the question, does Slovenian sound like Russian? To be honest, I don't have a good understanding of what Russian sounds like, so I don't really have a good answer. But this is a great segue because in the coming weeks, I will be releasing a new video series during the week. I'm going to be posting about my experience learning Slovene. I'm going to start from week 1, and then I'm going to go until hopefully I become fluent. At least that's my goal. This is going to be really challenging, but I just want to share this journey with you. So be on the lookout for the new Slovenian language learning video series. Now, to a day in my life.
Jutro.
Let's do it. Just got done at the gym. Now I'm heading home, showering, making coffee, and cooking breakfast. So great start to the morning. It's currently 7:40. So I got to the gym at 6:30, 7:40 now. I usually go for about an hour. That's enough for me. Anything more and I'm just honestly just killing my time. So anyways, I just walked out. It's about 0 degrees this morning. Correction, it's minus 5 degrees Celsius. So I think that's like, I don't know, 20 degrees Fahrenheit maybe. So it's definitely a little chilly. Nice and sunny, as you can tell, which is amazing because we haven't had sun recently. So yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Hey, just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks, see ya. Okay, just got my shower finished. Now I'm about to make some coffee. This is a jezva. This is a Turkish form of making coffee, but in the Balkans and in Slovenia. This is how they make coffee. So I'm going to show you the whole process. It's pretty simple. The first step is to add water. Second step, add your sugar. And the third step is to add your coffee. And then you have to stir it. And anyways, we're going to make it together. So we'll start that now. It's breakfast time. We're gonna make a Greek yogurt bowl, and then we're actually gonna do some eggs too. So I'm gonna do an apple, banana, Greek yogurt, granola, and honey. I make it basically every day. For me, it's like having a dessert. It's so delicious. So we're about to make it together. Dober tek. Going to meet a friend for lunch. So I am getting ready now. Just got here. All right, just finished lunch at Burger Time right behind me. We're at Ljubljanica River, the most popular bus stop here in Slovenia. And now I have class at 2, so I'm heading to the university. Classes were canceled today. Actually, they weren't canceled, they just didn't start. I was wrong. So now I'm just headed home. I'm gonna get some things and I'm gonna go to a cafe. We're gonna try a new one today. So you'll head with me. Time for an afternoon snack. Dober tek. Okay, right now I'm about to take my bike over to Ljubljanica River. She recommended the pistachio croissant, and so I'm gonna try it. It's solid. It's wonderful. Want to give a shout out to someone for buying me a coffee. Via my link below, buy me a coffee. Cheers. Okay, I just got to the center of the city at 7 p.m. on Wednesdays. They have student mass in this church, the Franciscan church here in the center. And it's always full, so you have to get here like 30 minutes early. People are already going in now. So anyway, so I'm gonna go in for mass. It's such a nice part of the week, right in the middle. And that's a day in the life. Hey, if you made it this far, might as well follow me on Instagram. This is my page.